Good day to everyone. We are taking the subject UKQT 3001 ExCEL. We are from Section 6, Group 2. We are here to present our case study on the proposal of an extra-curricular program that can enhance UTM graduate attribute among our students. Our team member consists of Chen Kar Wai, Goh Zee Xin, Chong Xin Su, Bryan, and Yong. First of all, what are graduate attributes? Graduate attributes are the high-level quality, skill, and understanding that a student should acquire as a result of their university learning and experience. We have conducted a survey with a total of 123 participants to obtain the feedback related to the proposed program. In the survey, we asked about the common understanding about SDG 8, which is decent work and economic growth. We found out that less than half of the respondents know about SDG 8. While a big number of respondents agree with the first reason that make people jobless are inequality and marginalization, personal issues such as laziness and lack of education. In the survey, we targeted how the event needs to be conducted. We found out that the most important graduate attributes are communication skill, thinking skill, and leadership and team working skill. These attributes are definitely important in our life, especially when we step into the working zone. Respondents are more interested in physical events, which workshop plus hands-on activity.
We propose a program named Unlock Your Success. In this program, participants are able to know more about entrepreneurship, ways to run a business, how to think out of the box, and how to work in a team. The objective of this event is to strengthen the team working and leadership skills amongst the students, to expose the students to the real-world business environment and entrepreneurship, to improve the entrepreneurship knowledge and skills of the students, and to enhance the deficient graduate attribute skills among the UTM students. The proposed activities included Workshop 1, Entrepreneurship and What is it like to run a business, with a hands-on activity. And Workshop 2, Self-awareness, getting to know yourself, with a hands-on activity. The graduate attributes involved are communication skills, thinking skills, leadership and team working skills. Below are the details of the program. The program is proposed to be conducted on 31st March 2023 from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. in L50 UTM. The total targeted participants are 100 participants. Ms. Carissa Ong Shi and UTM alumni Oscar Lim Fang Jack and Tan Jun Jie will be invited as our speaker.
The program will begin with check-in or registration from 7:50 a.m. to 8:10 a.m. Props such as notebook and marker pen will be distributed to the participants in the registration booth. Then, a brief agenda will be introduced by the MC from the organizing committee to have a short introduction about the activities carried out and the timeline of the event. After that, participants will carry out an ice-breaking session with them divided into 20 groups. Each group member will introduce themselves and has some ice-breaking activities together as a team. Communication skills, leadership, and team working skills will be enhanced throughout this session. On 8:45 to 11 a.m., the first workshop will be conducted by Carissa Ong Zing, then followed by a hands-on activity from 11 a.m. to 12 p.m. In this activity, each group is required to create a poster about a successful entrepreneur. This activity is good in enhancing the thinking skills of the participants by observing the characteristics of an entrepreneur. The event will be followed by a short break for 1 hour. Lunch will be distributed among participants and speakers. On 1 p.m. to 3 p.m., the second workshop will be conducted by UTM alumni Tan Jun Jie and Oscar Lim Fang Jack. On 3 p.m. to 4 p.m., another hands-on activity will be conducted. Through this activity, participants will enhance their thinking skills and find out their own skills and interests. Later on, a gaming session of Marshmallow Challenge will be conducted with the team formed from the ice-breaking session. It is a simple concept challenge, which is building a tower with spaghetti and masking tape with the marshmallow on top of the tower. The lessons learned in this activity is critical as it teaches participants to communicate, think, and teamwork. After this activity, a small reflection space will be conducted. Participants will be refreshed with what they have learned at the event. On 4:50 p.m. to 5 p.m., an appreciation session for speakers and participants will be conducted. Card gifts will be given to the participants, while cash vouchers will be given to the speakers.
The budget estimations are shown in the table below. The materials fee for each of the group for Marshmallow Challenge consists of a total of 100 ringgit. Appreciation gift costs 490 ringgit. Card gifts for each participant has a total cost of 50 ringgit. Food for participants, crew members and speakers is 660 ringgit. Props cost 250 ringgit. The deposit of renting L50 is 50 ringgit. Transportation will be provided for every participant and the estimated cost is 200 ringgit. The sum of the cost for this event is 1,800 ringgit. The source of funds will be coming from the fees collection of 18 ringgit for each participant. For the purpose of monitoring and evaluating the event, the organizing committees will monitor the progress of the program to ensure the program runs smoothly according to the tentative schedule. A Google Form will be provided at the end of the program to get feedback from the participants to evaluate our events.
The three highlighted graduate attributes have their importance respectively. The first graduate attribute is communication skills. Communication skills is important to communicate effectively with team members and learn how to raise the faith among the customers. Next, leadership and team working skills is important to cooperate and collaborate to tackle various problems and come up with better solutions. Sharpening the leadership skills may lead a team to success. Lastly, thinking skill is important to brainstorm ideas to run a profitable business and to inspire students' entrepreneurial mindset. As a conclusion, our Unlock Your Success program provides a platform for students to experience and apply entrepreneurial mindset in the real-world business environment. Throughout this workshop, students will be managed to improve their entrepreneurship knowledge and skills to achieve success in the future. In a nutshell, students can realize the importance of UTM graduate attributes and enrich the graduate attributes such as enhancing their thinking, communication, leadership, and team working skills by taking part in this program. Thanks for watching.